Hey all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road Expansion update now. Flying over from the cop because people want to see the seats. So, sorry Mr. D, but I'm going to have to copy your idea. Yeah, we'll get over there and have a little look. It's nice and sunny today. So have a nice little look at the pitch again. Closer one this time. And the penalty spot that Milner nicked is back. There it is. Right. The reason I've come over this way is because people said seats at the front of the Anfield Road are in place. I think most are, but some aren't. No, let's throw it all there, doesn't it? Some up there that look a bit wonky. Maybe they're not quite in place yet. But yeah, it's looking good at the front there. And I've also been told that they're starting to spray paint blowtorch these seats. Yeah, I don't know. They haven't done many. Yeah, I thought they've had a good start on it. Maybe they've just been practicing it on that section there. But the upper tier don't really need it because they're well protected from the elements. They're looking good. They almost look cartoony then, didn't they? And yeah, they're looking good as well. But then again, these look as though they've been done as well. Yeah, they have. Why have they just done the bottoms and not the backs? There's a tour going on down there. Make sure it is a tour and not some players getting unveiled on the pitch. No, there's a tour going on. So we'll have a look at the upper tier now. See how many seats we can see up here. Yeah, there's quite a lot going in there. See the difference between the cheap seats and the more expensive seats. How many rows did you have in there then? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first 6 rows are going to hospitality by the looks of it. Okay. Is that on the pitch? Grounds on. Let's have a check at me. Yeah, I'm well above the stands. I'll get a little bit higher. So there's nothing going on the roof. Oh yeah, it's down there. Those lads down here on the roof. So the ropes are leading down here. They're only leading halfway down, aren't they? I wonder if they're going to start making a start on this here then. The front of this span. Could be an idea. I'm just going to mark my maximum height now, you see. Yeah, I'm well in view. I'm going to have a good look over the back of the stands. There seems to be a lot going on down there. See what he's doing there. Breaking up that column there. Possibly, is he? He's got no bricks for them. Don't know what he's doing there. It's okay. Just move my position so I stay in sight of the drone, that's all. But plenty of groundwork going on. So people have said about not much work going on. As we know, it's behind schedule, don't we? So that's why there's not much work going on. There's more of a time scale now of when it will be ready. Let's see what this is. Transport and something, isn't it? Yeah, it's more of a time scale of when it will be ready now. As you know, it's behind schedule now, so it doesn't matter, you know, what work is going on, as long as it's done when they say it's done now. And people are worried about Liverpool not making many signings. Just got to have faith in the club now. Me myself, I'm going to get behind the team now. The season kicks off in a few days' time. So I'm not going to worry too much about signings at the moment. I think we've got a good enough squad to compete. People saying not to worried about the defence. The reason why we were leaking goals last season, I wouldn't put it solely down to defence. I'd put it down to midfield as well. We just weren't good enough in midfield. It's as simple as that. The season when we won the Prem, we were dominant in that midfield, whereas last season we weren't. This on the corner here. Someone said the crest had gone up somewhere as well. I thought he meant on the front of the stand, but it hasn't. So whoever said about the crest, can you let me know again, please? See if there's anything of interest to see down here. See, it's like there's loads of people always milling around outside Anfield. What fans are they? Ooh. Liverpool got a friendly tonight. Would they be the fans for that team we were playing? I know it's changed a couple of times now, the team who we are playing, so I'm not sure who it is tonight. But we're playing in Preston, so I don't get it. Okay. Yeah, so signings-wise, I wouldn't worry too much about signings. I think we've got enough in midfield at the moment. We've got Szoboszlai and McAllister new in. We've got Bajcetic coming back from injury, which is going to be like a new signing. And we've got some good young kids in there, along with some experience as well. So I think midfields are going to be a lot stronger, which is going to help the defence out. So that's my thoughts. Let me know what yours are about the season. Predictions, what you think. And give us your Chelsea predictions as well. What score you think it'd be. I think Liverpool will get a field goal start. I think a 3-0 win away to Chelsea. And I'm sticking with that. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there. Being a bit quiet because I'm standing in a little bit of a residential area here. It's a bit early in the morning, so yeah, don't want to be too loud. So I'll leave it there guys. If you liked the video, please subscribe. Comments and likes are always appreciated. As I always reply to the comments. And apart from that, speak to you all soon. Look after yourselves now. Bye.